Good morning. It's on Monday morning, and actually today I woke up a little bit early because I have a lot of things to do today. One of them, I need to go to look for the luggage because I'm traveling somewhere this week. So that's one thing I need to do because the luggage I normally use is not in good condition. So I need a new one. Yeah, that's one of the thing I need to do today. And I need to come back as soon as possible to start to pack and all that. So that's what I'm doing today. And before I go out, I need to prepare my iced coffee. You know how much I love iced coffee. So darlings, I'm literally stepping out, but I have some few items I got from Zara during summer sale. So I decided to buy some few items for myself. So this is the first package. I don't know what exactly is. These are the shoes actually. These are the shoes. So the shoes comes in packed like this. So the shoes comes in packed like this. And actually the shoes, they don't come with a dust bag. I love the details, the glitters, they are very cute. So this one's cost 59 euros. So this is the second package, and these ones are also the shoes. Yes. So this one, it comes packed like this. So I got this one in red. They're very cute, guys. This one's cost 59 euros, and I think they're worth it. I love the heel, not very tall, not very short. They're very cute. They're very cute. Let's see what is in here. So this one, they packed them like this. This is another pair of shoes. Let's see. So these are another pair of shoes. So this is how they look like. So this one's cost 69 euros. So the next item I got is this cute panty. This one cost 45 euros. It's very cute. This is how it look like, and I think this one is gonna fit me well.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Good morning, guys. So it's on Wednesday morning and I am on my way to the airport.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Grow hard out what you want to do. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So my flight is at 2 p.m. so I decided to have some lunch.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do. The aftermath of preparation. One step at a time. Yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good.